Hi. Um, so I want to welcome you to week two of Zombies, Modern Myths, Race, and Capitalism. And I know we're going to meet tomorrow, on Tuesday, but I just wanted to give a general talk, and let you guys know about some resources that I've posted on D2L for you. So this week we're going to start looking at Halpern's film White Zombie. Corda's essay, New South, New Immigrants, New Zombies, is going to provide a strong frame to examine this film, and it's also going to fill out some of the history of zombies in the US that we didn't necessarily touch in class um, last week. In reading the discussion boards, it struck me that a couple of people have mentioned this idea that Corder brings up of the new woman. Um, the new woman is specifically something that happened in the 20s, in the early 20th century, in the teens, the 20s, the 30s. Um, and the women who adopted this new woman style, they challenged a lot of the assumptions that um, mainstream white society had about women. They they were more independent. They were often more technically minded um, in their interest in things like automobiles and airplanes. Um, the famous Amelia Earhart, the pilot, it can be seen in this light as the new independent, technically minded, future looking woman. Um, and the independence that these women had might seem kind of typical today, but at the time it was really pushing um, boundaries. And what this made me think is that as we start to think about our group projects, think about how we're going to group ourselves together, what we're going to talk about, um, I just wanted to say that, you know, gender is something you can and probably should think about, in addition to thinking about race and capitalism and being in a consumer society. Um, and to that end, I am going to be posting a supplemental reading called Women in the Zombie Apocalypse. Specifically, that's going to talk about women as they're portrayed in the Walking Dead series, but it shows how we can look at women in zombie media um, in other ways too. Um, and that's going to be available in the next couple of days. And like I said, it's supplemental reading, it's not required, but if your mind turns to that, it might be something you want to incorporate into the group project. The other thing that I want to mention is that another supplemental reading that I'm providing is that um, I've provided some definitions of the theoretical lenses that we're going to use in class and some other resources that you might use. And in my mind, um, the essays that you're assigned are going to be using these lenses. They're going to be using Marxist and post Marxist and post colonial theories. But sometimes it's nice just to look at a definition and see what that is about. Um, and like I said, the essay on uh, women in the zombie apocalypse, that's going to be available in the next couple of days. So I'm hoping by tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday at the latest. Um, and then this other supplemental reading on the theoretical lenses, that's available to you now on D2L. Um, the last thing that I want to say is that I am looking forward to continuing our conversation this week, and in particular, I am looking forward to reading your thoughts about Corda's essay on the discussion board. Okay, guys, I will see you soon, and we will talk soon. Bye.